For 21 years, Maya lived a life wrapped in comfort and love. Her mother, a warm and generous woman, adored her only daughter and granted her every wish, no matter how big or small. If Maya wanted a new dress, her mother bought it. If she was tired of cooking, her mother prepared her favorite meal. Their home was filled with laughter, affection, and the kind of bond that made the world feel safe. Maya had never known what it meant to struggle. Her mother's care protected her from life's harsh realities, and she grew up believing that happiness was something given, not earned. But one rainy afternoon changed everything. Her mother was driving them home from a family gathering, the road slippery from the water and wind. Maya remembers her mother's hand turning on the radio, a faint smile on her lips, and then the squeak of the tires. When Maya woke up the next day, her mother was shivering uncontrollably. She developed a fever and was rushed to the hospital, but the illness claimed her mother's life. The following months were the hardest of Maya's life. The silence in the house was unbearable. Every corner reminded her of the woman who had loved her so completely. She felt lost, helpless, and afraid. For the first time, there was no one to tell her what to do, no one to take care of her. But pain, as time often teaches, can also be a beginning. Slowly, Maya started to rebuild her life. She learned to cook, to manage her bills, to wake up each morning with purpose. There were days when she wanted to give up, when the weight of loneliness felt too heavy, but she didn't. She found a job, made new friends, and began studying again. With each small victory, Maya discovered a new strength within herself, one her mother had always seen but she had never believed in. The spoiled girl who once depended on everything and everyone was gone. In her place stood a young woman who had learned that love never truly dies, it transforms into courage, resilience, and quiet determination. Years later, when Maya looks at her reflection, she sees her mother's eyes staring back, kind, steady, and proud. She whispers softly, "I'm doing it, Mom. I'm living."